This is our next video of agriculture current affairs for NABARD grade exam and IBPS FO and ICR exam. So let's get started. Our first question is, which state recently hosted the International Conference on Agri-Tourism? The answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra recently hosted the International Conference of Agri-Tourism. Okay. And our next question is, when is the National Technology Day celebrated every year? So National Technology Day is celebrated every year on 11th May. Okay. At the end of video, we will submit our quizzes and test what number of answer correct we have get. Okay. So when is the National Technology Day celebrated every year? On 11th May. Our third question is, which state was declared officially as the first 100% fully organic state of India? As you know that the first state which declared as the organic state in our India is Sikkim. Okay, Sikkim is the first state which declared 100% fully organic state in 2003. Okay. Our next question is, World Agri Tourism Day is observed every year on which day? So the World Agri Tourism Day is observed every year on 16 May. Okay, 16 May. Our next question is, Global Forest Goals Report 2021 was prepared by which UN organization? As you know that many United Nations organization publishes reports on agriculture and other things. So Global Forest Goals Report 2021 was prepared by Department of Economic and Social Affairs of the United Nations, UNDESA. Okay, Department of Economic and Social Affairs of United Nations. Okay. Our second question, next question is, which state is the highest basmati rice exporter in India? As you know that India is the main and leading producer of basmati rice. So which state in India is the largest exporter of basmati rice? So correct answer is Haryana. Haryana is the largest basmati rice exporter in India. Our next question is, which agency awarded Green Urja Award 2021 for playing major role in renewable energy financing? Okay. So here the question has wanted to ask us that recently which our national organization has received the Green Urja Award for playing major role in renewable energy or green energy. We can say that renewable energy is also known as green energy. Okay. So our answer is IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, recently received the Green Urja Award 2021 for playing major role in which renewable energy financing. It means that this institute is mainly playing main role in financing the renewable energy institutes. Okay. Our next question is, IREDA stands for was established on which in which year? So it established on 11th March 1987. Okay, 11th March 1987. Our next question is, which country accounted for the highest number of total formal employment in the forest sector globally? The question has wanted to ask us that in which country the most number of employees are employed in the forest sector. Okay, in the formal forest sector. So our correct answer is India. Okay, India has given employment to the many peoples in the forest formal sector. Okay, formal employment in the forest sector. Okay, India. Our next question is, International Day of Living Together in Peace observed every year on which date? So our answer is 16 मई 16 मई को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ लिविंग टुगेदर इन पीस डे ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है. ओके. बाकी अगर आपको इनके बारे में कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन से जानना है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से चेक कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पर पीडीएफ दिए मैंने, वहाँ पर इनका इन डिटेल में मैंने सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, तो चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है. बाकी अब आप सबमिट करके देख लेते हैं हमारे कितने करेक्ट आंसर है. सो हमारा विच स्टेट रिसेंटली होस्टेड द इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ एग्री टूरिज्म? महाराष्ट्र करेक्ट आंसर है. वेयर इज द नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर? 11th में हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है. विच स्टेट इज डिक्लेयर्ड ऑफिशियल एज द फर्स्ट 100% ऑर्गेनिक स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? तो सिक्किम डिक्लेयर किया गया था, आप सबको पता है. नेक्स्ट है, ग्लोबल फॉरेस्ट गोल्स रिपोर्ट 2021 किसके द्वारा प्रिपेयर की गई थी? तो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल अफेयर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन के द्वारा प्रिपेयर की गई थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच स्टेट इज लार्जेस्ट बासमती राइस एक्सपोर्टर इन इंडिया? तो इसका आंसर है हरियाणा. Which agency awarded Green Urja Award 2020 for playing a major role in renewable energy financing in renewable energy development limited? IREDA को अवार्ड दिया गया था. IREDA स्टेब्लिश कब हुआ था? 11th मार्च 1987 को. Which country accounted for the highest number of total formal employment in the forestry sector globally? India. उसके बाद सेकंड आता है चाइना. ओके, इंडिया के बाद चाइना आता है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ लिविंग टुगेदर इन पीस ऑब्जर्व ऑन 16 में. ओके, आशा करता हूँ वीडियो पसंद होगा. आपको पसंद आए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू.